That's what the Haida heroine said in a recent interview. Read on to know what else Shraddha revealed about herself and her upcoming film ABCD2. Shraddha Kapoor is known for portraying outgoing and expressive characters on screen, but the actress says in real life she is a reserved person. The 26-year-old actress made a lukewarm debut with Amitabh Bachchan star Teen Patty in 2010, but she got fame 2 years back with her stint as a budding singer in Aashiqui 2, opposite rumoured boyfriend Aditya Roy Kapoor. Shraddha, however, feels fame has not changed her reserved self much, and she becomes a bundle of nerves whenever she is in public eye.